Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and receive Robux from friends. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. First, to send Robux to friends and other users, log into your Roblox account and from the Discover tab, find the Please Donate Roblox experience. Launch this game and head to the left sidebar. Select Gifts. Enter your friend's Roblox username. And if you wish, type a message for them. Click on Gift and you will be directed to their stand. If they open a stand in this Roblox experience, here you'll see the Game Pass they've created. Select it and you'll be shown the amount of Robux you'll be giving. Confirm the transaction and the Robux will be sent. If you want to receive Robux instead, then you'll be required to get up a Game Pass yourself. To do this, log into your Roblox account and go to the Create section from the top menu. Under Experiences, select a public place. If you don't see your place, ensure it's set to public. Navigate to Associated Items and then Passes. Click on Create a Pass. Upload an image for the pass and give it a name. Once created, list the item for sale and set your desired price. Remember, Roblox will take a 30% commission, so if you list a Game Pass for 10 Robux, you'll receive 7 Robux. Now, head to the Please Donate Roblox experience, find an empty stand, walk up to it, and hold E to claim it. Your Game Passes should appear on your stand. When someone gives you Robux, you'll receive a notification. To claim it, go to Gifts in the left sidebar and click on the inbox icon at the top. You'll see the gifted Robux amount and you can claim it from there. By following these steps, you can easily send and receive Robux from your friends in Roblox. Always remember to be cautious and ensure you're giving Robux to trusted friends. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.